Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, I will show you how to install Ubuntu in your local Windows laptop or machines. So, so please don't worry. I will show you in step by step how to install it till the end, and I will show you some command how you can run it. Yes. So first of all, you can see in my screen. So you can copy this path. Otherwise, you can just go to the Google and just search Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Yeah, once you run it, you can see here download Ubuntu desktop. This option will come. You can click on that. And you can see here, if you click here, automatically download will start. But actually my laptop already it is installed, so I don't want to download it. So you can see here, it will start automatically. So actually I'm cancelling it because I have already installed. So similar like as, so once you, because this is a very big file, it is around 6 GB. So please check before downloading your internet connections and your data limit. Yes. So for installing Ubuntu, we require one more virtual machines. So you can click on virtual box. It's virtual. This will come. You can click on downloads. Yes. So this page will open. So you can see here there are different packages. So if you are installing on Windows, you can click Windows host. Automatically it will start the download. If you using Mac, Linux, whatever you are using, you can click on that. So I'm using Windows. I will click on that. So automatically it will start the download. I have already installed it. I don't want to download. I'm canceling. So once you download it, so I will show you how you can do it. First you go to the virtual machines. This is your virtual machines. So you can see here there will some options are here. So actually new option is here because I already installed Ubuntu in virtual box. So I will show you. Once you download it, you can click here new options. Yes, you can put any name, any username. Yes, I am putting yes data. Yes. So see here ISO image. Here is showing not selected. So what you can do, you can go to the other options and you can go to the downloads. And in download, you download the Ubuntu. Once Ubuntu download, you can click on that and you can select open. So this path automatically selected. You can just click on next. Okay, don't worry. Data, data, others. Yes, you can select this path. Open. Yeah, just click on next. Yes. So you see this next page will open. You can put any username. I am putting data. Yes, you can put any password. You can set your password. Yes. So your host name is data. So click on this next. Yes. You can increase the limit of your base memory and your CPU. So right now it is by default 2 GB. You can increase. I am increasing till the 6 GB. It's fine. So you can increase your CPU also at least 5 to 6. Yes, it's fine. Click on next. If you want to increase your virtual hard disk, you can increase till 30. So I don't need. So I just click on next. Just click on finish. So automatically it will set up the Ubuntu in your virtual box. So it is taking some time. So don't worry. When you installing in first time, they are asking some permission. You can just click on next, next, next till the end. What happened?